This is Kingston new portable SSD in a flash stick format. One of its key advantages is the cable-free design, allowing it to connect directly to either a USB-A or USB-C port. As a result, it works with almost everything: Windows, macOS, Android, iOS, and even iPadOS. You might be wondering how this differs from a standard dual interface USB flash drive such as the Kingston Data Traveler Duo. Glad that you asked. While both are designed to store and transfer files, the main differences lie in the controller, performance, and durabilities. An SSD delivers significantly higher read and write speeds, along with greater write endurance. This translates to superior reliabilities and better long-term usability. The Kingston Dual Portable SSD is a must-have tool for anyone who regularly handle large files, be it content creators or mobile photographer who shoots a lot of content on their smartphone, don't want to spend heavily on cloud storage. This 13 grams compact cable-free portable SSD is offered in 3 storage sizes: 512GB, 1TB, and 2TB. With 1TB, I could back up my entire 256GB iPhones 4 times, or on a Magic V5 512GB 2 times. That's all from me on the new Kingston, a dual portable SSD. If you have any questions, to drop them in the comment box below. I'll be sure to answer them. Thank you for watching. Take care and I'll see you at the next one.